with information on this or any other incident are encouraged to call the Kentdale Police Department's tip line at 248-3245 or through email at tips@kentdalepd.com.
Let's talk. Somewhere far away, where you won't be an issue for my man on the inside. We found him first, but he wouldn't have made that obvious. He was one of many allies who sat in wait, and only more will join. You should have gathered by now I don't wish to kill you. I could ask you the same. It seems you and the others have your own way of getting around. You don't say. I don't need help. And I don't expect help from your new friends. And I don't see. Oh, but I do. That's why you're here now. Or the enemy. My enemy. Your enemy. But not you. Not really. But what happens once things get easy? You'll realize you can't pretend forever. What I'm planning is too important. You'll all see. Not just for me. I won't. Your friends are small, but we can choose to be more. Be at no one's mercy but our own. I want your allegiance. I do not need it.
Not superhuman. Someone save me from the hate. It's just another war. Just another family torn. Just a step on the edge. Just another day in the world we live. I need a hero. I need a hero. Today, to live another day, speaking my mind today. I've gotta make a stand, but I am just a man.
Wanting to live is not enough. You need to want me dead. All that pain you feel, all that anger, all that rage, I did that. So hate me for it. Kill me for it.
The countdown begins to destroy us.
You were done somewhere.
I need a hero. Save my life. A hero will save me. I need a hero. Save my life. I need a hero. Just in time. Save me just in time. Save
saw in that fortress, I haven't felt like myself, and now I know why. We both do. What has become of Destroyer? Stronger, faster, more awake than ever. With this power, this gift, it is destiny. And you're just a remnant of a long gone past from which I am free. That is what has become of me. I've never been more alive! That is why I wanted you. I can afford to keep you alive. You will heal and join me, or you will try to stop me and we can do all this again. Or you won't heal. Welcome to my world.
You